Okay, so that's a 14 millimeter. We've got a 14 millimeter wrench. The other side's a 14 as well. 14 as well. Okay, yeah, 14 as well. Let me use wholesale. Use a ratchet in the aluminum bolt. You don't want to snap it. God damn. I should be doing it like this instead. Okay, nice and tight. Axles in. Let's get the cap. We'll get that size. I'll be right back. Okay. That's why you didn't come on one of these. I don't remember if it did. This will go on top of the bolt. There we go, that's perfect. And then usually what I do is I split one side and then the other side the other way. That's what I do right there, but I'll do that one. Let's get the strut. Strut in. We'll do it on the opposite side. Okay. So guys, we got the brand new strut. Screws out. A little better than the actual Nissan ones. I'm going to use the Nissan ones. Nissan screws, the schedule ones they gave me. These are done right here. Let's get these on there. And push this lock down. Okay. Perfect. Let's see what size was this. Just a 21 also. Alright, now let's get the stabilizer link, which is this one. Oh, we also got to put in the ABS sensor. ABS sensor's got to go in first. Alright. This one goes here. Perfect. Right. Let's throw some ratchet. Get that a snug. We'll move on to the other side. The other side is going to be a little bit more of a pain. because you got that axle shaft bearing, so hopefully it just slips right out. Okay, now we got to get straight. Caliper I'll do last. Let's get the stabilizer link. Okay, stabilizer link. Get these on. Get some anti-seize on this, guys. Putting it all over. These shits are a pain in the ass to get out. And you want them to come out. Same thing for the top. Okay. You guys can see this, but it's so hard to get the camera in here. Pain in the ass to get the camera in here. So should I go here and here? Like that, right? So this has to go down more. There we go, got it in. Pain in the ass, but I got it. I like how it has the locks on it, so grip nice. Let's get this one. Coming together, guys, coming together. Perfect. Now I can't get in there, so we have to use the ratchet. Okay. Okay, that's in. Okay, so we got the caliper bracket bolt. Oh, let's get the tie rod on. I need to get the tie rod on, so I need to figure this out real quick. Forward. So it should face back. Definitely the driver's side. So let's go ahead and anti-seize inside here. Okay. So right there. That was on the centimeter. You gotta make sure your steering wheel is straight. Let's get this in. There we go. Nice and nice. So they change the size to 15. 15. So we change the size there. Okay, the other one was a 13. The original one was a 13. 13 nut for the tie rod, and now they changed it to a 15. Rotor. Okay, so that's good. Some anti-seize over here. Okay. Hey. Perfect. Now we're gonna turn this caliper on. It's down. Alright, 15. Okay. Slide that holds the brake line, the slide clip. Alright, we're in. Front suspension is done. I need to right on the fender. Tighten tie rod before placing the wheel on. Just go with TIE tie rod. Alright guys, so we're done with this side. Now we're gonna go and work on the other side. There you go. So we got everything new. As you can see, new suspension, new stabilizer, tie rod, control arm, and axle. Everything new. Except for the hub bearing, which is fine. Nothing wrong with it. It's not broken, don't fix it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the other side.